Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta gun, easy method. Assemble a rigid barrel, fit a snug piston, and mount a spring or elastic launcher securely. Measure travel distance and add a stop to prevent overcompression. Load one pasta piece gently into the muzzle and cock the mechanism using a safe handle grip. Aim at a soft target and release to test, adjusting spring tension incrementally for consistent range and safety. Gather parts and tools before starting to avoid interruptions and ensure safety. Pick a tube with about 2 to 3 millimeter clearance around the pasta and a spring that compresses smoothly. Use a comfortable handle and secure mounting plates to stabilize the launch mechanism. Smooth any sharp edges with a file and pre-drill holes for fasteners. Test fit all components dry before applying permanent adhesive to maintain alignment and reliable function. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps support more projects like this and keeps things coming. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker seen here. It makes workshop time more fun and focused. Check the video description for the link and other deals if interested, then stick around for the rest of the tutorial. Now let's get back to the video. Start by cutting the barrel to length and shaping a piston that forms a gentle seal without friction. Fit the spring behind the piston and lock it with a cap or retainer, then test compression travel and adjust stops. Build a simple trigger that pulls a catch pin cleanly, avoiding binding or sudden failures. Reinforce weak joints with epoxy and clamps, then paint or cover grips for comfortable, stable handling before final trial shots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.